Now I discuss average speed now. What is the average speed? Average speed definition is total distance traveled by the body, total distance traveled by the body in total time. Once again I repeat, what is the definition of average speed? Total distance traveled by the body in a total time. The ratio is called average speed. Okay, it's a very important topic, Nana. This is track 1, Prashant. Okay, what is the definition of average speed? Average speed is defined as total distance traveled in the total time. Once again I repeat, average speed is defined as total distance traveled by the body in a total time. Okay, Nana, here average speed, it depends upon the distance, Nana, and time. Look here, distance is a scalar, time also scalar, number by number, it gives number. So average speed also scalar quantity. Okay, Nana, here look here, SI unit is distance unit is meter. Look here, Nana. Time unit is second. Average speed SI unit is meter per second. Very important concept. Here, body moves A to B along a straight line. Look the diagram. Here, body moves from A to B along a straight line. Okay, for half of the distance, look here, Nana, for half of the distance, body traveling a speed is V1. Next half of the distance, body traveling speed is V2. The question is, find average speed. Once again I repeat. Okay, here body travel half of the distance for speed V1, remaining half of the distance speed is V2. Find average speed. What is the definition of average speed? Average speed, okay, is equal to total distance traveled by the body in total time. Total distance traveled by the body in total time. Look here, what is the total distance according to diagram? Here to here, S by 2 plus here to here, S by 2, okay, by total time. Nana, here to here, A to C, the time is T1, C to B, the time is T2. What is the total time? T1 plus T2. T1 is unknown. Unknown means not given in the question. So that will be replaced, Nana. That will be replaced, Nana. Look here. Here, look here. Average speed equal to, okay, s by 2 plus s by 2, half plus half, full, s by denominator t1 plus t2. What is the speed definition? V equal to s by t. Here, look here. What is the time definition? S by V. Look here. Speed definition, distance by time. Time definition, distance by speed. Here, according to diagram, look the diagram, look the diagram. T. T means distance by speed. T1 corresponding distance s by 2. Distance place lo s by 2. Speed v1. Look the diagram. T1 corresponding distance s by 2. Corresponding speed v1. Similarly, T2 కూడా మీరే చెప్పండి. T2 equal to again s by 2 corresponding speed v2. Here T1 value, here T2 value substitute. Look the formula. Average speed equal to, look the formula, s by T1 write as s by 2v1, T2 write as s by 2v2. Okay, in the denominator which will be common, s by 2 is common into, look here, 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. Okay, here nana, here yes, s what, cancel, 1 by 2. Look here nana, here what is the LCM in the mathematics? v1 v2. Okay, here v1 నుండి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, v2 plus v1 up to here. First write is equal to, look here nana, look here, 2 v1 v2 numerator, 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This is the formula nana. This is not necessary for the derivation. What is the question? A body travel half of the distance for speed v1, next half of the distance speed v2. What is the formula for average speed? 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. It's a very important nana. Once again, body travels, look here nana, A to B, again B to C, again C to D. A to B distance is s by 3, B to C distance is s by 3, C to D distance is s by 3. First 1/3 distance speed is v1, next 1/3 distance speed is v2, last 1/3 distance speed is v3. Once again I repeat, first 1/3 distance speed is v1, second 1/3 distance speed is v2, last 1/3 distance speed is v3. Here find average speed అంటాడు. What is the average speed definition? Total distance by total time, total distance s by 3, total distance s. Here T1, T2, T3. Total time is T1 plus T2 plus T3. Finally, calculate. Finally, we get ఏమొచ్చిందో అక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ అయితే ఏమొచ్చింది 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. 1/3 అయితే ఏమొస్తుంది 3v1 v2 v3 by look here nana v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. Once again I repeat, directly I give the formula. 1/3 distance. What is the formula for average speed? 3v1 v2 v3 by v1 v2 plus v2 v3 plus v3 v1. Please write the formula.